Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and having a very good time. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 vegetables which grow under the ground. Please do visit my channel, practice the lesson very well and learn them easily. I hope it will help you a lot to gather the basic channel knowledge about each and everything around us with their correct spellings and pronunciations. Do subscribe my channel. If the videos seem helpful to you, please share with others. Now, here we go. Number 1. Garlic. G A R L I C, garlic. Number 2. Beetroot. B E E T R O O T, beetroot. Number 3. Carrot. C A R R O T, carrot. Number 4. Sweet potato. S W E E T, sweet. P O T A T O, potato, sweet potato. Number 5. Rutabaga. R U T A B A G E, rutabaga. Number 6. Ginger. G I N G E R, ginger. Number 7. Yam. Y A M, yam. Number 8. Cassava. C A S S A V A, cassava. Number 9. Radish. R A D I S H, radish. Number 10. Onion. O N I O N, onion. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. And this way, write slow and learn fast. Now, enjoy your holiday. Bye bye.